How can I make payments on my Walmart Mastercard?
Hello and welcome to this quick guide on how to make payments on your Walmart Mastercard. Paying your credit card on time is crucial to maintain good credit standing and to avoid late fees. This guide will walk you through the various methods available.
Online payment.
The most convenient way to pay your Walmart Mastercard is online through the Walmart website or Walmart mobile app. 1. Log in to your account. 2. Navigate to the Bill Pay or Payments section. 3. Enter the amount you wish to pay. You can opt to pay the minimum amount due, the statement balance, or any amount up to your current balance. 4. Provide your bank account information where the funds will be deducted. 5. Review the details and confirm the payment.
Automatic payments.
Another convenient way to make payments is by setting up automatic payments. This ensures your payments are made on time each month. 1. Log in to your account online or through the app. 2. Navigate to the Payments or Auto Pay section. 3. Set up your bank account details, then select the amount you want to pay automatically each month, the minimum payment, full balance, or a set amount. 4. Verify and confirm the automatic payment setup.
Pay by phone.
You can also pay your Walmart Mastercard by phone. 1. Dial the customer service number located at the back of your card. 2. When prompted, provide your card details and bank account information. 3. Follow the automated prompts to schedule your payment. Please note there might be fees associated with phone payments.
Pay by mail.
Paying by mail is another option, although it's slower and requires more effort. You'll need to send a check or money order to the payment address provided on your bill. 1. Write a check or obtain a money order for the amount you wish to pay. 2. Make it payable to Walmart Mastercard and include your account number in the memo field. 3. Mail it to the address indicated on your billing statement in plenty of time for it to arrive by the payment due date. In conclusion, there are several options for making payments on your Walmart Mastercard: online, automatic payments, by phone, or by mail. Choose the one that best fits your lifestyle and remember to always pay on time. Thanks for watching, and hope this guide has been helpful.